Hello, today I will guide you on how to recover your Bitwarden master password. So I'm going to show you four ways and I hope one of them works for you. I want you to know one thing before we move forward, and that is Bitwarden have zero knowledge encryption architecture. That is, they never store your password. The platform doesn't know your password. So that is one of the reasons it is harder to recover your password. So, and I hope these four ways that I'm going to show you, one of them works for you. So the first way is to go to Bitwarden platform, the bitwarden.com, and make sure you come down to this accessing, then select the right server that you use to create the account. If you create the account with bitwarden.eu, then if you are logging through bitwarden.com, you won't be able to log in because you are using the wrong server. So make sure you select the right server here, then try and log in again with your password that you think is the right one, and see if you're gonna be able to access your votes. And if it doesn't work, another way is to click on continue here. After I click on continue, click on get password int, master password int, then click on request. After you click on request, it will automatically set the int you typed when you were signing up for the account. It will send you the int so that you can able to recall what the password is, because it's an int, of course. So that's the second way. As you can see, it has sent an email. That's the second way to recover your password. And the third way is, assuming you have logged in other devices such as your mobile phone. If you are using your if you log through your if you log in through your mobile phone, to it will prompt you to use your thumbprint as faster way to log in. So if you have already used your thumbprint, then you can just use your mobile phone and then use your thumbprint to log in through your mobile phone or your iPad or your device, any device that has thumbprint. That way you can able to log in. Then after you log in, then go to this emergency access, go to settings first. Here are settings. After you go to settings, go to emergency access. After you go to emergency access, add an emergency contact. Through here you'll be able to reset your password, but you have to upgrade first to their plan, and then add emergency contact. Through emergency contact, they will give you option to reset, because you've already forget the password and you can't reset the password without remembering the initial password. So the only way is to emergency contacts, so they'll be able to reset it for you. Oh, that's the third way. And the last option is to reset all the password indirectly. Assuming you want to know, you have a Gmail password, any social media such as Instagram or WhatsApp password. So sorry, Instagram or Facebook password. So you just go to each and every platform, then and reset the password one by one. That is, then you will now come back to Bitwarden, create another account, then now import them back into Bitwarden. So that's like the fourth option, is like an indirect way. You have to go back to every platform that you have password on that you've already saved, then reset it to, you can reset it to phone number or to the Gmail option that they will send you the reset link or something like that. So that's the fourth way, and I hope one of these options work for you. If any of the options work, please kindly like and subscribe and comment